Hello students. Today we are going to start with understanding quadrilaterals. This is a chapter from class 8 CBSE curriculum. This is this lesson is delivered by Meghna Jain and this presentation is made by Meghna Jain. So let us start the topic. What is a polygon? Polygon is a closed figure. It is a closed figure made by straight lines. स्ट्रेट लाइंस से जो बनी होती है और एक क्लोज्ड फिगर होती है उसको हम पॉलीगन कहते हैं. इफ नंबर ऑफ साइड्स n, नंबर ऑफ साइड्स के लिए हम यूज करते हैं नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इज n, number of sides n is 3, then the polygon which it makes, it is called as triangle. If number of sides is 4, the polygon it makes is called a quadrilateral. If number of sides is 5, polygon it makes it's called pentagon. Number of sides 6, it makes hexagon. Number of sides 7, it makes heptagon. Number of sides 8, it makes octagon. Number of sides 9, it makes nonagon. Number of sides 10, it makes decagon. Make sure students that you remember all these names. अगर आपको कोई पूछे 5-sided figure, it is called polypentagon. You should know it. 7-sided figure, it is called heptagon. 10-sided figure, it is called decagon. 10-sided polygon, it is called decagon. So you should know all these names. You should remember all these names by heart. So let's proceed to the next topic. Sum of angles of n-sided polygon. n-sided polygon, अभी हमने polygons किए, हमने 10-sided polygon तक किए, n is equal to 10 तक किया. Sum of n-sided polygon is equal to, मतलब sum of angles. एक ट्राइंगल है, इसके सम ऑफ एंगल्स क्या होंगे? 1 2 3, इट हैज 3 एंगल्स. अगर हम इन तीनों को सम अप करेंगे तो वो 180 डिग्री की इक्वल होता है. वी ऑलरेडी नो दिस. वही हमने वेरीफाई किया. ट्राइंगल में n is 3. if we apply this formula, sum of angles of a triangle, 3, n is 3 here, so 3 minus 2 into 180 degree we will apply in the formula. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Number of diagonals in any polygon. Number of diagonals क्या होते हैं? जैसे ये एक polygon है हमारे पास, ये quadrilateral है जिसमें you can see we can make 2 diagonals. You know the what are diagonals. We can make 2 diagonals over here, but number of diagonals अगर हमारे को heptagon में एक बहुत 10 डेकागन में निकाले नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स, so we will use this formula to calculate the diagonal. That is, n is number of sides. n represents number of sides of a polygon. n into n minus 3 divided by 2. अगर हम क्वाड्रिलेटर में लें तो n is 4 here in a quadrilateral. n is 4. 4 into 4 minus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 into 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2. You can cut this. We will get 2 here. Let's move to the next concept, that is how many diagonals does the following figures have. Quadrilateral में number of sides is 4. So number of diagonals in a quadrilateral आप फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे n into n minus 3 divide by 2. n is 4 है, so 4 into 4 minus 3 divide by 2. 4 into 4 minus 3, that is 1, divide by 2, that is 2 diagonals. We have 2 diagonals in a quadrilateral. In a pentagon, number of sides is 5. So again number of diagonals का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे हम n into n minus 3 divided by 2. n is 5 here. 5 into 5 minus 3 divided by 2. 5 into 2 into 2, 2 cancel हो जाएंगे. There are 5 diagonals in a pentagon. In a hexagon, n is equal to 6. Number of diagonals होंगे n into n minus 3 divided by 2, that is 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2. 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3. So 6 into 3 divided by 2, 6 into 3 is 18 divided by 2, 9. Write the name of regular polygon of 3 sides. Regular polygon. What is regular polygon? A polygon which has all the sides equal and all the angles equal is called a regular polygon. जिसके सारे sides और सारे angles equal होते हैं उसको हम regular polygon कहते हैं. A three-sided polygon. A three-sided polygon जिसके सारे sides और angles equal होंगे उसको equilateral triangle कहते हैं. You already know. Four-sided. Four-sided में सारे angles और सारी sides equal है तो उसको हम square कहते हैं. एट साइडेड पॉलीगन में सारे एंगल्स और सारी साइड इक्वल है तो उनको हम रेगुलर के नाम से डिनोट करते हैं. रेगुलर ऑक्टागन. एट साइडेड पॉलीगन होता है ऑक्टागन, so it is called regular octagon.